Welcome to the future of automated fund investment performance, brought to you by Team 134, a group of dedicated students committed to innovation in financial analysis and data analysis. We proudly introduce our project, a groundbreaking project designed to transform how financial data is analyzed and presented. Our aim is to simplify complex financial data, making it accessible and actionable for pension schemes and remuneration policy analysis. With our projects, we are setting new standards in financial reporting efficiency and clarity. We understand the challenges, data complexities, integration hurdles, and the relentless pursuit of accuracy. Our project is designed to address these head-on, transforming challenges into opportunities. In collaboration with ISRP, we are revolutionizing the way pension schemes and remuneration policies are analyzed. Harnessing the power of Power BI, our project delivers dynamic, user-friendly, and intuitive dashboards. It's not just about visualizing data, it's about bringing data to life for insightful decision-making. Our journey is more than just creating a tool. It's about teamwork, overcoming obstacles, and unwavering dedication to excellence. Our project represents ongoing innovations in the field of financial data presentation and analysis. We invite you to discover how it can streamline and enhance financial reporting processes.